hurt. Loving can hurt sometimes, but it's the only thing that I know. When it gets hard, you know it can get hard sometimes. It is the only thing that makes us feel alive. We keep this love in a photograph. We make these memories for ourselves, where our eyes are never closing, our hearts are never broken, and time's forever frozen still. So you can keep me inside the pocket of your ripped jeans, holding me closer till our eyes meet. You won't ever be alone. Wait for me to come home. Loving can heal. Loving can mend your soul. And it's the only thing that I know. I swear it will get easier. Remember that with every piece of you. And it's the only thing we take with us when we die.
Happy birthday, Mama!
Happy birthday, Mama! We love you so much. We miss you so much.
Miss namin kayo, bakasyon na kayo dito.
Yes! Kailangan ko na ng iPhone. Hang na yung cellphone ko.
Mag-ingat kayo dyan palagi.
Yeah.
Magpayaman po kayo. At sana manalo tayo ng kotse at pera. What will you say?
Okay, stay healthy, stay young, stay maganda, and yeah.
Alam ko kahit boring dyan, wala po kayong pasyalan. Sana po nag-e-enjoy pa rin kayo sa mga karaoke nyo, sa mga luto-lutoan nyo, baking nyo.
Yeah.
We miss you, Mama. We love you.
Mwah.
Enjoy the rest of the video.
Yeah.
Surprise.
Bye.
Happy birthday, Ma. Surprise ka. Wishing you all the best on your birthday. Enjoy your day. Kumunat maksilusunay naman mo, Nainay. Stay sweet and beautiful. Love you, Ma. Mwah, mwah. Happy birthday.
Birthday, Pani. Happy birthday, Pani. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Pani. Good luck, good health, God bless you. More birthdays to come. We love you.
Sila. Hello, Pane, happy birthday. Happy birthday. Tan, dakil ni kumon, so napalabas mong pang-birthday mo. Tapiano nagamuran mo, raratay pangarap mo, bilay mo. Salamat, salamat. Talang salamat mo. At panang araw yun siya. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Pani. Oh, dunga.
Tita Pani, tayo na naman.
Ini. Hello, Tita Pani.
Hello, Tita Pani.
Happy birthday. I sing for you. Okay. Happy birthday, Tita Pani. Happy birthday, Tita Pani. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Bye-bye.
Hello, Pani. Good evening. Happy birthday. Okay. Enjoy your birthday. Wish you all the best. Good health. More success in life. Okay. Enjoy your birthday. God bless you always and keep up the good work all the time. And may you have more years to celebrate your birthday. Okay. Ingat dyan lagi. And okay. Dasal lagi. Good health and good faith. Okay. Kumusta lang yan? Kumusta lahat? Happy birthday. Enjoy. Thank you. Okay. Ingat dyan. Bye-bye.
Surprise! Hello, hello, hello! Happy birthday, Beshi Fanny. We love you and we miss you so much. Mwah! Ingat lagi. God bless.
Happy birthday, Pani. Yeah. More birthday to come. Enjoy.
Best TikTokeris.
Yeah.
Inuman kanyo.
Inuman basig.
Basigan lang Johnny Walker.
Hanggang pumadjay ka na eh. Majara ko muna eh.
Go.
Si Pane, kumusta? Kumusta yung bilay dito? Nga tamantanan tila itisay. Birthday yung laman na ya. Happy 46 birthday, ha? Ingat dito niya lanang tan maksil laman. Sige, salamat.
Go.
Happy birthday, Tita Fanny.
Go.
Happy birthday! Happy Fanny! Tita Fanny! Happy birthday, Miss TikTok! TikTok yun. Best in TikTok. Got it! Tala, happy birthday! Happy birthday!
Hello. Hi. Hi, Beshi Fanny. Happy birthday. Wish you good health and happiness always. Love you.
Happy birthday, Fanny. Wishing you more candles to blow. Good health and happiness. May all dreams come true. Again, happy birthday.
Hello, good morning. Happy birthday kay Ate Fanny. Wish you many happy returns of the day. May God bless you with health, wealth, and prosperity. God bless Ate Fanny. Happy birthday, Arnett. Come on, sabi mo. Happy birthday. Mwah. Mwah. Thank you.
Happy birthday to my amazing Beshi. Wishing you good health and happiness always. Thank you for being the most reliable and supportive person I know. I miss you. Happy birthday.
Tita Fanny and Tita Mayang, God bless you. Happy birthday, Sister Mayang and Fanny. God bless you.
Happy birthday sa dalawang ate na si Ate Grace at si Ate Fanny. Wish ko sa inyong dalawa good health and sana maabot nyo yung pangarap nyo, lalo na sa pamilya nyo. Lagi kayo mag-iingat dyan sa Canada at miss na miss ko na kayo. And mahal na mahal ko kayo. Happy birthday again and sana magkasabay tayo magbakasyon sa Pilipinas. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Tita Fanny. We miss you. Stay safe, stay strong, and stay healthy, and stay pretty, Tita. We miss you. We love you. Happy birthday, Tita!
Happy birthday, Tita Fanny. Ingat kayo dyan palagi.
Happy birthday, Tita Fanny. Happy birthday, Tita. Wishing you all the best. Enjoy your day. Stay pretty all the time. Stay strong and stay safe. See you soon, Tita. We love you and we miss you.
Happy birthday, Tita Fanny. May this year bring you a new adventures, big smile, and unforgettable moments. Stay healthy like me. And stay pretty as always. We miss you and see you soon. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Tita Fanny. Ingat po kayo lagi dyan. Stay healthy and stay pretty always, tita. More birthdays to come, and we miss you all.
Happy birthday! Di na ako magagana at mabait-bait. Namimiss na kila. Si kila ba sumani itria kwarta siya no Pasko. Good health, Tita Pani. Ingat kay Tanya Lanang. Love you.
Happy birthday, Tita Pani.
Happy birthday, si Pani. Kumuna sila Lanang sulaman nyo.
Happy birthday, Tita Pani. More birthdays to come. Tita, pasalubong mo ha.
Happy birthday, Tita Pani. Wish you all the best. And ingat kayo lang Tita niya, Ani.
Happy birthday, Tita Pani. May salubong ko.
Birthday, Tita Pani. May balon ko. Tika mo na.
Happy birthday, Sis Fanny. I hope you're okay in Canada.
Happy birthday, Tita Pani.